Srivastava and welcome back to my channel. Before moving on, I quickly want to apologize for the delay. I know I kind of disappeared after my first video only, but the thing is I actually made a challenge video in between for you guys which was supposed to be fun and all, but it didn't turn out the way I expected it to be. So there was no point of posting on YouTube. So all that effort and all that work was for nothing. But then I told myself not to lose hope, and these things keep happening, and since I'm new to this whole YouTube thing, it's gonna take me a while to get strong in this game, isn't it? So yeah, that's all. I'll just stay motivated and keep going. So like the title says, budget friendly restaurants. Today I'm going to take you to a place that serves amazing combos at unbelievable prices. So keep watching this video till the end to know more about this restaurant and how you can get those combos at great prices, and most importantly, how is the quality and the taste of the food. Destination Diner 49B Cafe, and two things to keep in mind before you come to this place. First is this place has happy hours starting from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday.
Are you serious?
So make sure you come to this place between 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday to get the combos at best prices. And secondly, make sure you ask for the happy hours menu because they might serve you the regular one. So this is the happy hours menu which says 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday, and these are the items. Now let me quickly tell you what we ordered. First is coffee plus crispy chili baby corn. Next is coffee plus chicken popcorn, chili chicken plus veg fried rice, one chef's choice non-veg pizza, and for dessert we ordered brownie with ice cream. So our starters have arrived. Let's take a look at them. So we ordered two combos. First one is coffee plus chili baby corn. The other one is coffee plus chicken popcorn. So me and my friend Ornisha, who is my cameraman right now, we both are very hungry because we didn't have lunch. So yeah, let's just start. So I changed my location because lighting the problem ho raha tha. Light is perfect over here. So I'll start with coffee. This is my coffee. First I'll taste it without adding sugar. Coffee is perfect, I just need more sugar. But otherwise it's perfect. Perfect amount of coffee, perfect amount of sugars. Very good coffee, I love it. So next I'm gonna start with crispy chili baby corn. Let's try this one. So it's actually very tasty. Very tasty. Also because इतना भूख लगा था तो और ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. They have sprinkled some spring onions on top of it. Sauce combination एकदम perfect है. So it's tasting amazing. So our third item for today is chicken popcorn. Okay, I'll just use my hands. That's better. I guess it tastes better with sauce. I need sauce with starters, so otherwise it's good. What I feel is the quantity is less, but it's fine I guess because the price for this combo is 149. So I guess it's okay-ish, but I still feel they can give it a little bit more. But it tastes good. So we are done with our starters and now main course is here. So this is our first combo, veg fried rice with chili chicken, and I don't know, they have given some Chinese kind of, I don't know what this is, but I'm guessing it's Chinese salad maybe. And the other item is chef's choice non-veg pizza. So this pizza is huge and I feel like I'm already stuffed and my tummy is full. अभी कुछ देर पहले मैं बोल रही थी कि बहुत भूख लगा, but now I'm feeling I'm full. So yeah, just let's start. So I'm gonna start with veg fried rice first. It's nice. Let's try it with chili chicken. Little creamy. It's exactly how it's supposed to be. Perfect chili chicken and perfect fried rice. It's very nice. I will try this one first. I don't know, I'm so excited about this one. Okay, so it's basically vegetables mixed with some kind of sauce and a little spicy sauce, I guess. But it tastes good. Actually, first time I'm trying something like this, but it is really nice. Now coming to my favorite item, Chef's Choice Special Non-Veg Pizza. So this pizza is huge. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slices. I don't know how we are going to finish this, but this is nice, guys. The price for this was 189. So for 189, you're getting 8 slices. This is amazing. So now let's take a bite. So it's basically a thin crust pizza, and I'm not a big fan of thin crust pizza, but this one tastes good. Actually tastes good, and they have given toppings generously, which is a good point. Also, for 189, you're getting a pizza of 8 slices. So I don't know where you get this part. So it actually tastes nice. Now finally, our last item, brownie with ice cream. So I'm really excited to try this one because desserts have always been my favorite. I don't even want to talk right now. It's delicious. Actually delicious. So this is definitely my favorite item. You should try this one. Like, I'm actually suggesting you to try this one. This is amazing. Now let's summarize my reviews for this place. So starting with my favorite item, which was definitely brownie with ice cream. It was marvelous and definitely a must try. Talking about the staff, they are well behaved and polite, and they were actually taking care of every little thing, which is a great quality, I guess. Talking about the ambience is amazing, but unfortunately I cannot show you right now because it's under renovation, which will be done after a week like they said, but you can always check it on Google like if you want to. Also, this is a part 1 video of budget friendly restaurants, and I'll be uploading more because I have quite a few names on my list. I'll be uploading it as part 2, part 3 and part 4. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to be able to watch that. Also, if you think this video was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Yeah, that's all. See you in the next video. Get the combos at the best prices. Secondly, remember to ask for the happy hours menu because they might serve you the regular one. So don't stay shut and order from the
Take the whole chicken. Keep though.